Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the fob so you can extract the emergency key without breaking anything. Find the small release, often a sliding latch or button, and press or slide it. This frees the metal key. Once done, pull the key straight out to avoid bending. Make sure to keep any tiny screws, caps, or plastic covers in a safe spot. You want a clear work area and steady hands. Rushing here risks jamming the mechanism. You now use the extracted key to open the car. Insert it into the driver's door cylinder at the natural angle the lock takes and turn with steady pressure. This bypasses dead fob electronics. Once the door unlocks, pull the handle and open the door fully to access the interior. If the cylinder has a protective cap, remove that first. It may pop off with a thin screwdriver. If turning feels unusually stiff, pause and wiggle gently. To finish, slide the metal key back into the fob until it clicks. You should hear or feel the locking detent. Make sure it's oriented correctly so the release mechanism seats properly. If the key sticks when inserting or removing, clean debris from the slot with compressed air and apply a tiny amount of silicone spray. Avoid heavy oils. If the fob electronics are dead, use the unlocked door to reach the push-button start or ignition. Follow your car manual. And if problems persist, consult a locksmith or dealer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.